Two giants of online selling, Shopify and Bigcommerce. Which platform truly powers your business? On one side, Shopify, the name that dominates e-commerce headlines. On the other, Bigcommerce, built for growth and serious sellers. Let's cut past the promos and see how these platforms really stack up. We'll score them across key categories, so you find out which tool is best for your business. And trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Okay, here's what we're going to look at. Ease of use, built-in features, pricing and fees, product and inventory management, scalability and multi-store capabilities, AI and automation, customization and ecosystem, shopping cart and checkout, and of course, omnichannel and integrations. Buckle up, we've got a lot to cover. Let's kick things off with ease of use. Shopify is just smooth. The drag and drop editor is so intuitive, even if it's your first online store, you're probably getting set up within the hour. Oh, and their app marketplace? Absolutely massive, so you're never really stuck. But if you need something super advanced, yeah, you might have to grab an app or two. Now, Bigcommerce? The dashboard is pretty slick and functional, but when you want to dive into some deep theme customization, it can get a little technical. So for sheer ease and getting you moving quickly, Shopify definitely takes this round. All right, built-in features time. Shopify does give you a lot of flexibility thanks to their giant ecosystem. You want reviews or customer loyalty? There's always an app for that, and this is the catch, a lot of those features don't come right out of the box. You have to rely on apps, which, can get a bit annoying over time. Now, Bigcommerce, here's where it flexes. Tons of features natively baked right in. Reviews, customer groups, multi-storefronts, all managed under one roof, even at entry level. It's a smaller app marketplace, sure, but most things you need are already there when you log in. So here, Bigcommerce edges ahead. Next up, pricing and fees. So Shopify is pretty upfront with their plans, and if you use Shopify payments, hey, you're safe from transaction fees. Their light plan is cheap if you're just dipping your toes in. But, side note, if you want to use a different payment gateway, get ready for those extra transaction fees. And you're capped at 100 product variants. Bigcommerce, though, zero transaction fees, no matter how you process payments. Unlimited staff accounts are a nice touch, especially if you have a growing team. Slight catch, their pricing automatically bumps up if your sales blow past $50K a year. Still, for sheer flexibility and predictable pricing, Bigcommerce totally grabs the win. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Bigcommerce lets you have up to 600 product variants? If you're selling like custom sneakers with every size and color combo, this is honestly a game changer. Product and inventory management. This is where things get interesting. Shopify keeps things simple and clean. Managing SKUs, bulk edits, it all works, but you're limited. Only 100 variants and 3 options per product. That can be a headache if you sell stuff that's like highly customizable. Flip it to Bigcommerce and boom, 600 variants per product and all kinds of flexible options. It's like, why stop at t-shirts when you can do t-shirts in 10 shades and 5 fits? It's slightly more complex if you just want to sell simple items, but if customization is your game, Bigcommerce is your go-to. Scalability and multi-store. Shopify's answer here is kind of meh on their standard plans. If you need to run multiple stores or brands, you have to jump to Shopify Plus, which is way more expensive and not for small budgets. Otherwise, workarounds are the name of the game. Bigcommerce, on the other hand, lets you add storefronts right from their entry-level plans for an extra monthly fee, and it's all managed in one dashboard. Multi-brand? International? No problem. So, Bigcommerce takes the lead for scaling up. Moving on to AI and automation. And this is actually pretty cool. Shopify has been hitting it hard with tools like Shopify Magic. It will actually whip up product descriptions or emails, even make images. Sidekick, their AI assistant, is surprisingly helpful if you don't love digging through analytics. Sure, not every feature is on the cheapest plan, but it's accessible. Bigcommerce isn't totally left out. They do have a product description generator and big AI, but unless you're on their enterprise plan, you're not seeing that much AI magic. Shopify wins this round by a mile. Let's talk customization and ecosystem. Shopify, frankly, is wild. Over 15,000 apps and a huge community mean you can extend or tweak your store in every weird way imaginable. It can be overwhelming, not going to lie, but at least you're never stuck for options. Bigcommerce keeps things simpler. Fewer apps, but less hunting. Plus, you can still make small theme changes super easily. Still, for sheer flexibility, Shopify is clearly out in front. Shopping cart and checkout. Honestly, I love how much control Shopify gives you here. Customization options galore. Abandoned cart recovery is super easy. And if your customers like having everything in one place, they can even use the Shop app to track orders. The only downside? Sometimes the more granular tweaks need another app or two. Bigcommerce, meanwhile, has a solid cart saver built right in, up to 3 recovery emails, and a nice, easy-to-navigate interface. But it just doesn't have the same depth of options, so Shopify slides ahead. Last up, omnichannel and integrations. Shopify links up with a huge amount of sales channels, social, marketplaces, you name it. If you're looking to go everywhere, it's about as flexible as you can get, especially with their Feedonomics app. The flip side, you're usually adding a third-party app. Bigcommerce, though, has omni-channel management integrated from the get-go, and Feedonomics is built right in. All managed through one dashboard, which is such a time saver. They don't have quite as many niche integrations as Shopify, but if you want that native, connected experience, Bigcommerce wins here. So if we zoom out and look at the whole picture, you'll see both Shopify and Bigcommerce have their strengths. It's not one-sided. Shopify nails that intuitive experience and massive ecosystem, but Bigcommerce is a powerhouse for built-in depth and multi-store growth. Here's how it breaks down for me. If you want something that's super simple, fast to set up, and leaves you with almost endless possibilities thanks to apps, Shopify is your best friend. But if you're planning on running a larger, more complex store with lots of product variations, or you want to handle multiple brands right out of the box, Bigcommerce is honestly the smarter pick. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.